a land where ancient walls stretch across mountains, rivers flow like silk threads, temples echo timeless chants, and megacities light up the night sky. This is not just a country, it's a journey through dynasties, dumplings, dragons, and dazzling diversity. And in today's journey, we'll take you through the top 10 best places to visit in China. Places that will make you fall in love with travel all over again. Let's begin. So, at number 10 on our list is Zhangjiajie National Park. This is a place that looks nothing less than a magical world on Earth. The tall vertical cliffs surrounded by greenery will surprise you. The freshness in the air here and the views are so amazing that you won't believe you are still on Earth. The imagination of the movie Avatar also came from here, and the glass bridge built over a valley gives that thrill which you will never forget in your life. At number 9 is Hangzhou. This is a place where the blend of lakes and greenery feels like peace itself has descended. The West Lake boat rides and the surrounding tea hills. Everything here seems to be made just to give you comfort. The mornings here are covered in mist, and by evening, the shimmering lights on the lake look like a dream. So if you love peace, you must come here once. At number 8 is Chengdu City. This city represents the soul of China in the closest form. Here you will find the giant panda's natural center where you can watch them playing. Also, if you like spicy food, Chengdu's Sichuan will give you a heavenly experience. This city is a perfect destination for every traveler. Cute pandas, rich flavors, and a relaxed lifestyle. At number 7 is Guilin and Yangshuo. These places are the peak of natural beauty. When you take a cruise on the Li River, you will feel like you are moving inside a painting. The limestone mountains, paddy fields, and the calmness of the river all together touch the heart. If you like to stay close to nature, you must come here. At number 6 is Beijing City. This capital city is a wonderful blend of history and modernity. The Forbidden City, Summer Palace, and Tiananmen Square bring forward the rich heritage of China. On the other hand, Beijing's metro life, shining malls, and street food give you a modern touch. And yes, don't forget to eat the Peking duck here. At number 5 is Xi'an. This city is a living history. The terracotta warriors counted among the wonders of the world are found here, who guard the tomb of the first emperor of China. The streets here, the old temples, and the air soaked in history take you to another time, where you can deeply feel the ancient history of China. At number 4 is Shanghai City. This city is not just a metropolitan hub, but the beating heart of China where tradition and future smile together in the same frame. The skyline of Shanghai, especially from the side of the Huangpu River, looks like a scene from a sci-fi movie. And the fast-moving life here can surprise you. But in this modern city, there are also many ancient and beautiful places where you must visit once. At number 3 is Jiuzhaigou Valley. This valley is so colorful and clean that even the sky and trees are clearly visible in its lakes. The sweet sound of waterfalls, the mountains covered with greenery, and the pure environment all together will show you the calmest and truest form of nature. And coming here feels like time has stopped. At number 2 is Lhasa, Tibet. This is the capital of Tibet and is considered the land of spirituality. The Potala Palace, the bells of the monasteries, and the echo of prayers touch the soul from within. Lhasa is such a city where you get the chance to meet yourself. The air here has spirituality and the vibes are so peaceful that the mind automatically goes into meditation. And at number 1 on our list is the Great Wall of China. Yes, the Great Wall of China. This is not just a structure of bricks and stones, but the saga of human determination and history. This wall stretches for thousands of kilometers and goes from mountains to deserts. Standing here, you don't just see China but also feel its soul. In the morning mist, this wall looks even more mysterious. And in the sunset, it shines like gold. So friends, these were the 10 most beautiful and adventurous places in China.